I want to ask men especially, because they don't have to deal with losing hairlines. How do you feel when your woman loses her hairline? Like, does it change your lives, your sex lives? Do you feel less attracted to her? So I want to know.
Oh my God.
I have a problem when a girl loses her hairline.
Obviously. A girl can't be losing hairlines. Like, come on.
Yeah. What they call in jibab in Kosa.
How is Chisco, you know? Just
or a short hair, it's better.
How long has she been wearing those weaves?
Yeah. It beats the hairline.
A hair that doesn't have a hair, you're thinking of a guy.
It's like you don't even know what kind of girl she is.
If it makes her look good, then I wouldn't have a problem at all.
But we'll have to find means to sort of get her hair back, you know, and stuff. I don't know how, but we'll have to do something. Because every time I see it, I'll be like, ah.
Yeah, obviously for every guy, it's a turn-on.
I'd laugh along with her, yes.
It's like, doesn't she take care of herself or something?
No fake hair, Brazilian what from India.
You got no hairline? Jump off.
Because now you're going to come there and embarrass me.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's a problem.
Sure.